Hello guys, again my name is Andrew of course, and today I'm thinking to disassemble this Parkside Cordless Rotary tool. I'm very curious how it looks inside and how it works. Well, first of all, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws to take off. We must take that out. Hey, come on. Okay. And let's take another Parkside tool to take out the screws. Very easy. Nice. Oh, we have the sticker. Well, we will do something about that. Well, first look. Inside we're going to find the motor and instantly connect it with the BMS board. Here it is. We have the Parkside batteries in 1300 milliamps each. Here's the motor. It is 10 to 2018, 12 volt Speedmaster Parkside. It's a ordinary motor, not something fancy. Here's the batteries, on-off switch as it's working, the BMS charging board, a closer look. And the speed of your motor. We have here the 3 LED charging indicators for the battery. Nice. The battery is in triangle, and this is the charging port. Very nice. The motor here is connected with this system that you can insert whatever bit you want. The plastic, it feels very strong. It's very hard, not thingy plastic. Here we got the button that you can release, that you can lock the system and release every bit that you can install. Some light indicators, plastic for the light indicators. And that's all, nothing fancy. And the magnet, 2 cables are connected to the motor. Well, that was all guys, the disassemble of this Parkside Cordless Rotary tool. Now I'm smarter. Thank you again for watching this video. Please share my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Like or dislike my video is your choice, but definitely hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming. You don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.